This is Lynn and Ian. We're from Plymouth. We have been on the Legend Tour and we've had a fantastic time. The organisation has been brilliant, but the sights we've seen, the people we've met and the behind the scenes work has been fantastic. We're now here at the Ferrari Museum at Maranello, and this is one of my dreams to come here and see some of those beautiful cars. I wish I could take one or two home. On our way down to San Remo, we called in at the Ducati Museum and also Pagani, which was extremely interesting, both places. And then on down to San Marino, where we saw some really beautiful scenery and beautiful cars to go with them. Anyone that likes Group 4 cars or sideways motoring with regard to rallying, it's something that you cannot miss. So I thoroughly recommend it.